Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. I am so excited, you guys, about the things that are going on in my life, and I wanted to just kind of hop on and give you guys an update on my life and just different things that have been going on. So I'm sure by the time that you are watching this video, you've already seen one of the most challenging design projects that I've ever had, and that was to transform a barn slash garage into a beautiful ballroom. And I think what made that project so challenging was because I had to blend together two totally different ends of the spectrum and make it work for that client, and they were actually they were head over heels in love with the project, and I thought it was really fun and very challenging as well. So now I'm coming off the brink of that project and I'm entering into my fall wedding season. I have a wedding coming up on September 6th, and I also have a wedding coming up on September 28th, and along with that wedding we're going to do another Luxe Academy. So for those of you guys who are interested in Luxe Academy and how you can join and how you can be a part, I will leave my website down below so that you guys can check it out. But the first day we will actually do like more of the lecturing part, and then the second half of that day, as well as the second day, we will do all of the hands-on things that you guys saw me do with the most recent Luxe Academy. I'm also in the process of getting my online academy up and going so that you guys who are not able to travel to Alabama, you will be able to get that same experience, and you can take the classes at your own pace, or you can go in and actually choose what class works best for you. So I'm really excited about Luxe Academy online as well. In addition to that, my husband and I have been looking for a new home, and Luxe Studio, oh my gosh, it's just like all over the place. We have several options that are available to us, and at the time that I'm filming this video, we have not yet made a decision. So stay tuned for that. You know, I'm all about waiting on God's perfect timing for things to manifest in our lives, because I am a true believer of where God guides, He will also provide. So today, the reason I'm all made up is that I recently got through filming a news segment for our local news station, and as soon as that becomes available, I will definitely share that with you guys. I think it's going to air on Sunday, so as soon as I get the link, because they're going to eventually post it on YouTube, I will share that link with you guys as well. It was so much fun, and I was super duper nervous. I was going to actually vlog that, but I didn't end up vlogging it because I was so nervous and I was by myself. Like, I just couldn't think. And I know that's like probably really weird for me, but it's just, I don't know, it's just weird when I'm talking to people and then like people are actually in the audience. Like, that makes me a lot more nervous than just sitting here and talking to you guys like this. The next very exciting thing that I did today was that I visited a venue for a wedding. So I'm going to share that with you guys now. Okay, so here is the before. I want to do draping along these poles to give the illusion that you're walking into a hallway, and then across the back right there I would close it off, just to section it off to make it look like a complete room. And so I would do drape from here to here, uplighting on both of these poles, and then draping from there to there with uplighting, closing off this entire back section with the panel. So I think it would be 2, and then opening here on this side. It'll be an opening to give you an illusion that you're walking into a wedding chapel, and on this side it will be an opening to give the illusion that you're walking into the wedding reception. Right there is the kitchen, and it's a bathroom right there. So I'm going to leave that space open and put the catering buffet tables along that wall. Absolutely beautiful space. Humongous space. Super huge. So we're going to have all the, what do you call these, like doors or windows open. It'll be in September, so it's going to be a little bit hot. but right here is going to be where the wedding ceremony will take place. And I will just add candles and flowers and things like that along this fireplace here. So that was the venue for the September 7th wedding. I cannot wait to do the final reveal with you guys. This is going to be a very different wedding for me because the bride is more of a minimalist. So she just wants things like very clean and very simple. And so I'm thinking about using a lot of white against the brick and cobblestone. And then it also has like that very industrial look as well. So I think white and ivory kind of pairs very well with industrial. So I'll probably use a lot of that as well. So we'll see. I can't wait to share that with you guys. So I guess it's safe to say that, you know, I've had a lot going on in my life over the past month or so. I've really taken some time off from work. I've taken some time off from just a lot of the things that I was doing in life in order to just reflect and get back centered. And I think it's been so good for me because I did not realize how much pressure my body was under. I didn't realize how much stress my body was under. And to come home every day, go to sleep, cook for my husband, wake up and spend time with him. You know, September 22nd will be our 7th wedding anniversary. And I just never really knew how much I was really missing. And I don't know, like, there are a lot of different things and different opportunities that can present themselves in life, but sometimes you just have to make that hard choice of what's important to you. And for me, like, family is important for me, memories are important for me, and I feel like once you follow your passion in life, the profit will always come. And we should never really make life decisions based on money. Like, I never want money to be my motivating factor, and so that's why I've had to make some really tough decisions in my life, and I'll share more with you guys about that later. I don't want to get this like all mushy, but I just want to give you guys just a really in-depth look of my life and how things are going. So once things start to unfold, it won't like hit you all at once. I feel like it will, but maybe it won't. So I think I'm gonna close the video here. Thank you guys so much again for all of your continuous and unwavering support. I just could not like pray for a better group of Luxers. Like, you guys are absolutely amazing. And every day, like, I wake up inspired to give you guys a message of inspiration, a message of hope, a message of encouragement. And I hope that when you guys read those posts on whether it's in the community tab here on YouTube or whether it's on my Facebook page or whatever it is, that it inspires somebody somewhere, somehow. So thank you guys so much again for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.